Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Blay phi baru kinigilong ki khubor bam da kasngi. U Conrad lapinte bahaga jingnet jing usha New Delhi ulay kendo u menteri ka Sorkar Pdeng u bapet ka Ministry of Development of North Eastern Region dona but bu akhmat artli kiman u menteri rangba ulakar pahat ka Sorkar Pdeng ban penkiu ya ka jingmang tingkan ne sailing na benta ki externally aided projects EAP hak than chate lammi ngi na kumba san 1000 crore tingka shaka 1000 crore tingka. Ulakar paru eka donor ministry ban ai jing rap pisa bar ki jing te na benta ka national games. Ulong ba wat la ka Meghalaya kan long kanong pdiang ba kongsan henry ki wiki jila ka than shate lam mi ngiru ken pen long mar ka wei ka jing ele kai. U Union Minister ulakular ban bishar gini ki mat hadin ka jing pen shai bnya ka bala ban long hadin ka darbar sunrai ka yung darbar thawa.
Some districts utilized the money and some did not, like Resu and Mokurwat did not. About a year back or something, we had cleared the land bank for Mokurwat, for Resu, because the money is already with them. It's not that we have to give money. The money has been lying with them for 10 years plus now, but decision was not made on the land bank. So today we have decided on the land bank that is in Mokurwat, and this was done as per the procedures followed at the Deputy Commissioner's level, where expression of interest and other procedures were called, and site visits were made, and based on that 2 proposals were sent to us. The department, the GD department, then again communicated back to the Deputy Commissioner and said that, well, you have to give us 1 proposal. I mean, give the selection that you have. So based on that, the Deputy Commissioner has proposed and a land so the land in proper location at Mountain, approximately 15 acres of land, which is located about 6 kilometers from the district headquarters, costing and amounting to 2.19 crores. The money already being with the Deputy Commissioner. This land has been finalized for a land bank for the district administration in Mokurwat. Apart from that, I also would like to inform you that in my recent visit to Delhi, I had a meeting with the Honorable Union Minister for Donor. In that meeting, there were 2 agendas which I had raised. Number 1 was regarding the externally aided projects and to seek his support in moving or working with Finance Ministry to increase the ceiling, if not lift the ceiling, at least increase the ceiling for the different states in the Northeast. As you're aware, Meghalaya is one of the better performers for externally aided projects, and therefore, and as you all know, 90% of the loan amount is paid back by Government of India for the Northeastern states. And so it's a great source of fund for us. And so our ceiling was put at the last Finance Commission period, the same amount, which is about 5,000 crores. We had requested for 15,000 crores. We have requested and appealed that if that amount from 5,000 could at least be doubled to 10,000 crores. So we sought the donor minister's intervention and his support in this matter. I also discussed with him about the national games, and we sought support from donor ministry to support us in these games in whatever way possible, obviously financially, whether to run the program, conduct the games, or to support us in the infrastructural work, whichever way, because this is not just a Meghalaya game, not just a Meghalaya state hosting it in one sense. We are hosting it, but every state in the Northeast is going to be conducting one discipline at least. So therefore, keeping that in mind in the spirit of the Northeast, donor ministry support would be very, very apt and very ideal. So we requested donor minister to support us. He said he'll definitely examine. We'll be having a presentation with him maybe after the session, and we'll take those discussions forward. But I do expect that there'll be some support coming in for the national games.